All right, guys. So on this next part of the video, we ended up getting the total value, which was 125, and the interest was only $25. And the way we're viewing the interest is just the extra amount I got to pay. I still borrowed $100, so the interest was 25. So the total value was $125. And so that's what we need to be careful about on our questions today. And so if you take a look at slide 4, it says Taylor's parents put $10,000 into a college savings account that pays 7.5% simple interest for 6 years. How much interest will they earn? And so our principal, of course, is our money. So I'm going to put 10,000. 10,000. Our interest was 7.5%. And so what do we got to do to change that decimal or that percent to a decimal? We're going to take 7.5 divided by 100, and it gives us 0.075. Okay. Remember, I'm going to use this one. That's why this box is down here, to remind us that we got to convert it. And then it looks like it says for 6 years. And so to find the interest, we take the principal, which was 10,000, times 0.075 times 6 years. And it looks like it gives us, wow, the interest on this college savings account is going to be $4,500. And so the total value, the total value of this account is going to be the 10,000 that we had plus the interest, which was the extra amount that I got to pay back or going to earn, would be 10,000, 14,500. And so let me check that. Yeah, 14,500. And so they ask how much interest will it earn. Well, to answer this question here, 4,500 would be the answer to this question. This was just an extra question that I put here to help us understand that the value is worth 14,500. Okay. What I want you to do is try this one out. And then once you get to this maze, you'll work each of these out. And I've put these little bitty markers right here. And so you're going to start it here. And so what I would do is I would get a piece of paper and I would draw out our little bitty diagram. And so I would set it up like this. And once we have it here, we would be able to say, find the simple interest paid, which would be 6,000 is our principal, 5%, and then for 6 months. Now, the tricky part about this says 6 months. And so we know that this needs to be years. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 6 months and divide it by 12. And that'll give us half a year, which is 0.5. Because in a year, there's 12 months. And so now I need to take that 5 divided by 100, and it should give me 0.05. And I multiply 6,000 times 0.05 times half a year, which would be 0.5. And so it's $150 would be my interest. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to drag our little bitty thing, little arrow, and put it, and that's going to take us to the next problem. Okay. If you have any questions today, let us know. We'll be walking around trying to get better at simple interest. Y'all have a good day.